Hey everybody, this is Joel Neiman. I just want to take a few minutes of your time today. We're prepping up for an install tomorrow. We're installing this furnace. This is the 2-stage American Standard model S9V2, and I just wanted to show you a little bit about it and why it is the #1 rated brand in furnaces and air conditioning equipment in the U.S. Taking a look inside this furnace, the main thing that gives you the heat is the heat exchanger. American Standard, they build all their heat exchangers out of stainless steel. This is a seamless stainless steel tube. A lot of other manufacturers use aluminumized carbon steel. The stainless steel is superior to carbon steel in that all the on and off cycles that the steel has to go through, the stainless steel can hold up much better to all the expansion and contraction, much less likely to crack over time. It just has a superior longevity and won't rust or corrode like stainless steel can over time. American Standard also has a really great cabinet. Cabinet is powder coated steel inside and out. This cabinet has 1% leakage or less, making it a very tight, soundproof cabinet. Back in here, back around the heat exchanger area, there's insulation in the blower compartment to reduce the sound levels coming out. American Standard is also, they got a one single panel door design. In each one of the corners, you got quarter turn metal latches, heavy duty metal latches that just turn like this, makes it easy to get the panel on and off and secures it very tightly. There's virtually no plastic on any of this unit. Got solid rubberized door gaskets to decrease leakage and sound inside the cabinet. And then on the front of the cabinet too, you can see these large viewing windows. You look in there, you can see the flames. You can look in the bottom one, you can see the board and the diagnostic codes on the board. So it makes it really easy to service. Even a homeowner can look in here and see kind of what's going on. So that's one of the great things about the cabinet on the American Standard equipment. As we move inside the furnace, American Standard has just really simplified the layout of this furnace. We've got in the upper part of the cabinet, we've got the inducer motor assembly. That's what it exhausts all the flue gas up and out the PVC vent pipe to the outdoors. We got the burner manifold with the burners, the in-shot burners, the gas valve assembly right here, and we got some control wiring to go with it. In the lower part of the cabinet, we've got the control board, and we got wiring harnesses down here with the drip loops on the wires, so should any kind of moisture at all collect inside the cabinet, it's going to drip off and stay away from those electronics. We also got very sturdy, well-built, heavy drain tubes, rubber drain tubes that are kink resistant. And we got a condensate trap down here to funnel off all the condensate from the combustion process to be drained away from the furnace. My absolute favorite thing about this furnace is the blower motor. The ease of which you can get this thing out of the furnace and service it is just really simple. You can see down here I've got this front panel. I've removed a few screws. All the electronics stay attached to that panel. I just swing it out of the way. The blower motor's right here in the bottom part of the cabinet. I take out 2 screws. This whole thing slides out on rails. And then once you get it out, if you have to remove the fan out of this housing, all you have to do is take these clips apart. This housing splits in half, and you can get full access to the fan inside to take it out and clean it, service it, or whatever. You don't have to remove the motor off the housing like you do in a normal blower motor setup. The other thing I like about this, it's all molded composite material. That really helps your airflow come off these blowers and be much more efficient. They've taken this shroud and they've ran it right up to the edge of the fan. So only the area that you need to move air is exposed to blow air off this fan. Other motors designs, we got one here that I took out of another furnace. This is typically what you'll find in a conventional furnace blower motor housing. It's sheet metal, which is great, but you get a lot of the fan area exposed. That allows the air to fold around, and not all of it is going up and out into the ductwork. That makes it run longer, decreases your efficiency over time. Also, if you want to service this, you have to take the motor off the housing first and then extract the fan through this opening right here. So it takes much longer to service it. Also, dust really sticks to these metal parts, and it's more of a square design. Yes, this is molded here and rolled, but out here on the corners, it's all square, and it just doesn't, it allows air a place to go other than up your ductwork all the time. So that's really what I like about this furnace, and American Standard's done a great job of making this furnace easy to service and easy to perform and high on efficiency. Hey, I just want to thank you for watching. If you want to find out more about the American Standard product line, please give us a call at 309-678-9577 and find out how you can live to a higher standard.